So I think I have everything to do your makeup, sis. Are you going for more of like a formal look, everyday look? Just a night out with friends? Sounds good to me. Let me put this over you here just to kind of get your hair out of the way. Awesome. How is your day going today? I honestly have been having a really nice day, so thanks for asking. But let me just put some sanitizing spray and then we'll do your look. Have you done skincare already? You have. Okay, cool. So let me just close this and then we will get started. Let's see. As you know, I just kind of have the Merit stick for what I use for foundation. That's okay with you? Good. Awesome, awesome. And then if you want, I could also go in with some bronzing drops. Okay, we will totally do that then. Let's see. Let's do bronzing drops first then. I often use this as the foundation anyway, and then I can like use the other one as kind of like a concealer if you want, okay? Okay, so I like to put it directly on the skin, and then we will just take a brush for blending. We are just, wait, when does this event start? You're just meeting the girls. Okay, so I have like 15 minutes or so. Cool. We don't have to like rush, so that's awesome. Where did it go? All right. You are all bronzed up. It actually looks really good. Let me go in with that Merit stick. I don't know if you saw like the reviews on this thing of how it like falls off really easily, so I'm like a little nervous using this now. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's still like my go-to, so. Okay, let's pat that in. Just in your more red areas here. Okay. Okay, very good. Next up, let's see. We did the bronzing. We can do contour. Okay, yeah, let's do that then. Go in with a little bit of contour on the sides here. There you go, a little bit there, and a little bit on your nose. Perfect. And I'm gonna take a more narrow brush just to put that to make it look super precise for you. Now for flushes, are we thinking more of like a watermelon flush? Are you thinking more of like a rosy, like a raspberry? This one? It is more like summery fun for sure. Okay. I always put like 4 dots. Alright. I am going to just kind of like pat that in just because it's like technically skincare. And then did I bring, I don't know if I did. Of course I did it. I was going to say I could put like a blush powder over, but I didn't bring one. So we're going to make this one work. Looks gorgeous. Put a little bit on your nose and then this side here. literally so gorgeous. It like, I just feel like it suits you really well. I love that on you. All right, next up, let's see. We can do highlight, but before we do highlight, I saw a video on Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It. I was sold. Here, let me show you. I don't think, or do I have it on? I may have this morning, but guys, look at this. Side note. Sorry, I'm not trying to make this about me, but I don't have anything but skincare on today, so it's probably, probably can't tell with the lighting, but it's cute stuff, I promise. And it feels really good. It's like the first eye product I've bought. It's supposed to be a cooling and brightening eye balm, which I think it works well. So I'm gonna put it on you because you totally deserve it. Okay. There you go. There you go, under that eye. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me just pat that in. Just gotta be really gentle around the under eyes for sure. Just kind of look up if you can. Okay. Cute, cute. Love it. Let's go in with highlighting balm. This is in the shade Kava. So I do have the highlighting balm, but I also have the powder in case you want a little bit more highlight action. Let me see. I feel like knowing you, you're gonna want the highlighter too. Yeah, like the powder. Let's just put a little bit, because again, I feel like I know you, and I feel like when you look at it, you're gonna be like, did you really think that's all I need? And I'm gonna be like, psh, I knew it. Totally knew it. A little bit on your nose, a little bit on the side. Okay. Do you want it anywhere else? Just making sure. Okay, let's see. We'll put this away. So we've got the highlighter stuff going on. Next, I believe, is going to be eyeshadow. I've got my Modern Renaissance. What color scheme were we thinking today? Like, do you want more of like the orangey browns? Do you want more of like the purpley reds? Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Okay, I can do something. Let me grab the eyeshadow brushes. Oh, we'll need this for your brows, so I'll keep this in mind. We could do this for the under eye, this for the base, and this for the blend. You could be so proud of me. Look at me doing eyeshadow. Okay. So, let's get this going then. You'll want to close your eyes, and then we'll go for kind of those more gold colors for sure. We'll go in with like a simple base first though, okay? Close your eyes. Okay. Okay. Close this eye. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, now let's kind of blend in a little bit of, introduce a little bit of the golds. Sorry, don't mean to be tossing your head like that. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a different brush for like the smoky effect. Beautiful. Let's do this side. And then I kind of want to take that same color and bring it to your lower lash line. Okay, so if you can look up for me. Okay, look up, keep looking up. Perfect. Okay, so I think we are good on the shadow. So let me put this away and then we'll go in with some mascara. Okay. Holding it the wrong way, of course. Okay, and if you could blink, blink, blink. Okay. All right. Blink, blink, blink. Okay. A little bit on your lower lashes. Look up. Look up. Okay. You look stunning, might I add. Okay. Next up is I do want to brush out your brows. Oh, remember when I said I'd keep that brush handy? I did in fact put it back. So let's brush out your brows and I'll see if I need to fill them depending on how well they brush out today. I feel like you've always had pretty thick, dense brows, so gorgeous, but probably won't need to get them filled if I had to guess. I mean, we could a little bit if you want to. We do. Okay. Let me grab that palette here real quick. You've got darker brows. There you go. Yep, I got you. Oh, Reese, you better stay sleeping, sweet baby. I am busy doing some makeup. Okay, now let's do your other brow and we'll see what needs filling here. Oh, Reese Peasy, you better stay asleep, my sweetness. Mama is working. Okay, let's fill this brow out. Although he's not a very good sleeper at night, I am lucky that he's a pretty good napper for the most part. Watch me jinx myself. But you win some, you lose some, and that's okay. Gorgeous. I love the way that turned out. Okay. I'm thinking. Let me brush a little more. Perfect. Okay. So, I feel like I should probably finish up here. We do have to do lip though. So I have a few options that you can do today. We could do the glaze and Cinnabon. We could do, I don't know, Pat McGrath, I guess is what this is, in the shade Sunset Rose. We can do, I've had these for ages. Oh my goodness. We could do one of these. What are you feeling? This one? I think that would be cute, actually. I concur. Alright, let me put that back. Let's put this on your lips then. Here, let's get a little bit more. Sorry. Glowing. I love that on you. Okay, let's give you a little bit of perfume. Perfect. And then let's just give you one final spray. And hydration, if you will. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Beautiful. I think your makeup look is complete today. Let me take this off of you here. You could totally go check the bathroom and make sure you like it. If you do, thumbs up this video and I will see you a little bit later, sis. Yep, you're so welcome. See ya.